All right, let's hop into our actual sales area here. We'll start with the leads. This is where every single one of your leads is going to be shown. So whether you are transferring in your CSV file, which it does have to be in a CSV file to get transferred over, this is where you would see all your leads. So these are just some fake leads that I entered in here. If you're familiar with Succession, that would be a little funny there for you. But let's get into what you see here in your leads view. So first and foremost, you can take bulk actions here by selecting all. And from there, you can delete, change different statuses. And we'll talk about that here shortly. Choose different data forms. A lot of these other things are currently in the works, so you'll be able to do that. But that's just if you need to quickly select multiple leads. So within your lead view, a lot of the actions will be just taken down right here with your drop-down menu. And if you are going to add a lead, you just click on the drop-down menu, add lead, and no data form. If you're entering just a one-off lead, first, last, email, phone number, and then you create the lead, and it will land on here just like this. And then to get some more information on the lead, you just click through, and you'll have your timeline right here of when your lead was created. If you're going to add notes, it would be right over here on the right, the drop down. You can create add notes, and you would just enter the subject, notes, create, and that would be that right here. If you need to do any type of tasks for this lead, you would just create tasks right there, task title, boom, and the due date, Thursday, time, 8 a.m. Of course, just assign it to yourself. You don't have to do anything there. And description, and boom, create. Now you have a task created for yourself. You have the notes. If you need to add notes after you had the conversation, or if you shot them a text, you'll have all that information right here. Now, right over here on the left, if there's any information, this is going to be all your lead information. If there's anything that you need to change or add, you can do that right here. And this will pop up where you can fill the rest out of this information. And in the data fields, we'll talk about that a little bit more, but you can customize these as well. So there's more information that you need to add to your lead because it's info that you collect. You can add that through the data fields. That's how you would update any lead details. That is just a quick overview here of your leads. You can sort them by this filter option right here. So based on your data forms, and we'll talk about your data forms, that's how you get all your leads into your system. But you can customize them here. You can filter it through. So based on where your lead statuses are, you can customize them like that. So if you're only wanting to speak to anybody that has not answered, you can do that and then save your filter. And that's how it'll filter through. And then this area right here. So this is if you are constantly reaching out to a very specific filter amount, a filter type. So let's say you're always going to reach out every morning to people that have not answered. And let's say, well, if you have, a ton of these, and you have different labels there for your leads, then you would be able to create it like that. And answers, and you would save that. And now you can just go to your no answers, and they'll filter out there. You can also look for people based on their name, last name, email, phone number, alt phone, company. All those things are there for you to search as well. This not really functional yet, but you will be able to have integrations. That's pretty much everything here on the lead. We'll talk about